the biggest growing industry today, which is the digital industry, social media platforms, and digital marketing. That's what I recognize. I recognize with my real estate business. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Sonya. I live in South Africa. Please like, follow, and share my content. And you want to save it because I'm going to have more information, more interesting topics to share with you as we go along. So do make sure you share and save my profile. So I have been in the real estate industry for 36 years. I absolutely love real estate, but it's a tough business. You really got to work hard. Otherwise, you don't succeed. And of course, there are other reasons why it's a challenging business. For instance, like the money. Okay, you sell a house and you got to wait. Sometimes in South Africa, we got to wait 3 or 4, sometimes even 6 months before you get paid. And that is challenging. However, with this digital business, you get paid immediately. When someone decides that they want to join the digital market and buy your digital products, because these digital products come with master resale rights, that means that you can take the product, you can use it for the rest of your life in your current business, or you can resell it to the market. And that digital market is huge. There are 5 billion people using the internet today. And Forbes say that that industry is going to grow even larger than what it is now, like exponential.